Revolutionize your quality management with the OEMS, designed to Amaze System, your new ally in reporting non-conforming products and slashing the cost of poor quality. The OEMS stands out by enabling comprehensive analysis. Dive deep into the root causes of quality issues, spotlighting main concerns and driving your organization towards excellence. Effortless customer disposition is just a click away. The OEMS streamlines decision-making with swift information extraction, maintaining confidentiality without compromising on efficiency. With robust analytics at your fingertips, the OEMS turns data into actionable insights. Empower your management reviews and continuous improvement initiatives with clarity and precision. And for corrective actions, the OEMS is unmatched. Assign, validate, and analyze with unparalleled ease, attaching evidence and tracking progress to ensure accountability. Visit our website or schedule a demo to experience its full potential. Elevate your quality management journey with the OEMS designed to amaze.